We're being very cautious. Like I said, we don't want to go backwards.
Manitoba reveals the proposed start to its reopening plan. After taking in more than 70,000 surveys online, this is what the province is suggesting: getting rid of the essential items list and allowing all stores to open with occupancy limits, allowing hair salons to open at 25% capacity, opening non-regulated health services with adequate physical distancing, allowing 10 people at a funeral plus the officiant, permitting 5 people plus household members to visit outdoors on private property, and allowing 2 more people to visit a household at a time.
This is not the invitation to dramatically increase our household contacts. So we want Manitobans to be able to have that connection. But we all have to realize the more connections we have, the more risk of transmission of this virus.
This means restaurants, recreational sports, gyms, and other services are not being considered in this first relaxing of restrictions. Rusin says they balance the risk of the activity and how essential it is.
We just can't be in a position where we've overrun our healthcare system, where the healthcare system isn't there for all Manitobans. And we've already lost too many Manitobans. We can't afford to continue the trajectory we had in October and November. So I know that there'll be some that are disappointed with this. I think there'll be, some from our survey that think that we shouldn't be loosening at all. But we think that this is a prudent approach.
The Northern Health Region will likely be kept under the current, more restrictive health measures, Rusin says, as case counts in the area are of greater concern. The final version of the new public health order is set to come out later this week, as the current one expires Friday. Rusin expects the new order to be in place for about 3 weeks. In Winnipeg, Stefanie Lasuik, City News.